Hey everybody, it's Doro, and I wanted to make my day 3 video for my first round of the 3-day refresh. So I have to say, day 3, super easy. I loved all the food. I tried a couple different food options from the booklet. Very satisfied, wasn't hungry, felt really good. I did have an iced coffee, so I did trade in one of my herbal tea options for an iced coffee. Again, just pure black, no sugar, no cream, no nothing like that. I actually didn't even do yoga. I felt good enough to do a leg workout because I felt like I had plenty of energy, I had no headaches and nothing like that. I didn't use any weights or anything, it was all body weight, but still, you know, I did feel good doing the workout. I worked pretty hard and I felt fine after. I was a little worried that maybe I would have pushed the envelope a little bit, but I felt fine after. I actually timed it between my lunch and my snack so that I was sort of coupled between food. Felt good, you know, drank plenty of water, really found it easy to stick to the meal plan. The third day was a breeze and I felt better, I slept better. So I'm actually making this video on the morning of what would have been day 4 really, just because I wanted to each time complete all 24 hours before I kind of give you my thoughts on it. And I have to say, I slept really well last night. When I woke up this morning to do morning yoga, I felt great. It's probably some of the most refreshing sleep I've had in a while. I didn't wake up groggy and tired. I actually felt really good when I woke up and I felt awake and energized, so that's cool. And I wanted to kind of report my results to you. So as of this morning, I've lost 6.5 pounds and 4 3/4 inches, which is like crazy because I wasn't expecting anything big number wise. I mean, it's not like I have a lot of weight that I'm trying to lose or something. You know, for me it was more about kicking the habits and just flushing the junk out and feeling better. But it just shows that if I had that much junk in me to lose, that I really needed to do this. I needed to do something where, you know, I said enough is enough and I built those good habits back up and I flushed out all the bad crap, literally and figuratively. And I have to say, I feel better. I feel less fluffy. I feel just like everything's a little tighter, and I feel my gut feels better. I feel like I'm not carrying, you know, crap around. Like you know that feeling where you know stuff doesn't feel right. I feel like it's gone and I'm just so much more prepared to start my next fitness program tonight. So that's really exciting. Again, I felt like it was a pretty easy program to do. You know, if you aren't used to eating healthy at all, like if, you know, McDonald's is your daily diet or you're just eating fried food every day, this will be tougher. You know, I'm used to eating a fair bit of vegetables. I'm used to making healthy choices most of the time, so this wasn't as dramatic as it might be for some people. I also, like I mentioned, I take my coffee black. I mainly drink water and some sparkling water. I'm not a soda drinker. I don't drink juice or anything like that. So if you do any of those things, it is going to be a little bit tougher. You might get a headache from caffeine withdrawals or sugar withdrawals. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to pursue this. That it's okay to feel those things. Your body is trying to flush things out and it's going through a process. And that process can get uncomfortable at times. Another thing, again, if you're not used to eating a ton of fiber, you're not used to eating a ton of vegetables, you might get extra gassy and bloated. You know, you might feel like you're a little backed up, and that's okay. That's, again, part of your body doing the right thing, and this is the 3-day refresh doing what it's supposed to do, which is refresh you and flush that junk out. That's just part of the process. So thankfully for me, it wasn't too difficult. The hardest thing was really mental, of, you know, knowing that I was craving something. I wanted a junk food, I wanted a candy bar, and just being like, no, I don't, just because I want it doesn't mean I need it. It's just a thing that my mind is saying, and it's, you know, I decide whether it's really something that I need to pursue and whether it's something I really need, or if it's just, you know, it's a thought I'm having because of habits or whatever. So I feel overall that the 3-day refresh really gave me what I needed, which was, you know, flush out the junk, remind me that I'm totally capable of making healthy decisions for my body and I'm the one that's in charge, and just prepare me for my next fitness program, help me kind of recover from, you know, the hard work that I put in with Masters Hammer and Chisel over the last month, and just give me a fresh start for my next program. So I hope these videos have been helpful and give you an idea of what to expect with this program, you know, what it entails. If you have any questions about the more specific aspects of this program, like what exactly is on the meal plan, I will be posting pictures of various food options that I ate over time, sort of what my meal looked like and what my routine looked like, on my blog at teentedfitness.com, and I will also be sharing a lot of this on my Facebook page at facebook.com/teentedfitness. So you can check those out for sort of more ideas on specific meals and a little bit more of a breakdown of what this program really entails every single day. But I just wanted to make these videos to kind of give you an honest daily fresh feedback of, you know, what each day was like, what the results are like, and hopefully give you some food for thought if you're considering doing any kind of cleanse, that, you know, it doesn't always have to be something super dramatic and dangerous for your body, that there are healthy ways to do these things where you're still eating real food, you're still bringing in healthy, nutritious things to your body while letting it do what it needs to do to get all the crap out. So, thank you for watching these, and again, you can check out my Facebook or my blog. I will post the links below this video if you want sort of pictures and detailed recipes and such. Otherwise, you can always email me. I will put my email address below as well, and you can shoot me any questions you have or anything of the sort. So thank you for checking the video out. I'll see you guys in the next one.